Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Cindy and yeah, I am doing a series called the 5 most popular South African desserts, and this is the 4th video in that series, and I'm actually making a trifle, right? A trifle dessert. So yeah, those of you who've been following me consistently, you realize there's a long gap from video 3 to this one. A lot has been happening in my personal life, and just a lot of things is happening, and I'll do another video. I won't say when, just in case I don't get to it anytime soon, but I definitely will do another video just catching you up as to what I've been doing. But anyway, so yeah, so today I'm doing the traditional trifle. One of the reasons is also, like, I wanted to stay authentic to the most popular desserts, but I have to tell you, I do not like the trifle, especially the South African version that actually has jelly and custard, just that combination. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to make this dessert and I'm gonna have to make it, and yeah, no one in my family actually likes it. So yeah, so that has been another thing. I was like, oh, let me make another variation. There's actually a lot of variations to the to make a trifle, but the one that I see consistently always contains jelly and custard. So I was like, you know what, let me do it the South African way, right? And then in another video I'll do like my a trifle that would suit more my taste without any jelly in it at all. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Oh, before I forget, if you're new and you haven't subscribe, please do subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. It will really help the performance of the video. And as you can see, I'm not yet at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm really hoping to get there. So please subscribe, hit that thumbs button, share this video, and let me know what you think in the comments. After the video is done, let me know what you think. Did I do it well? What do you like, trifle, or what's your favorite dessert? So okay, now we're starting to make the dessert. So this is the container I'm going to use to make the trifle. It's this. This is the custard. The peaches I'm going to put on top. The paper. Raspberry jelly. Orange jelly. And some whipped cream. Guys, please excuse the poor lighting in this the next part of the video, because yeah, we had load shedding, which is yeah, electricity was cut off. So yeah, I just had to finish it using my torchlight, so the lighting is a bit different, but hey, this is the new South Africa we live in. We just have to deal with it. actually looks nice. Wow, there we go. I almost got all the layers. You can get some of the red jelly there.
Yes, it's too full.
Okay.
Mommy, it's too full.
I know, but it's fine. There you go. So, I'm gonna get the boys to taste. Take turns, take turns.
Okay, let's taste it.
Do you like it? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm actually impressed. It tastes like custard, and I don't even taste the red jelly. The orange jelly stands out.
Your turn, go. I know you guys definitely don't want the fruits.
It's gonna mess up the whole thing.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. It's sweet and delicious.
Okay.
Yeah. And sour.
Put your hand under your thing, otherwise it's gonna spill. Okay guys, it's my turn. You heard my son's review. They like it, they just don't like the fruit. I don't really blame them, but I like the fruit. So now I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. Yeah, and it's kind of mushy, but here I go. It actually is very nice. I wasn't so sure about the custard and the jelly together, but I think that taste is like neutralized by the cake and the cream. So not my favorite dessert, but it definitely tastes a lot better than I did. I should have made it a long time ago. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a lot. We're a family of 5, but this is a lot for us, so we're gonna share with our neighbors as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what's your favorite type of trifle. I'm going to do another trifle video in the future with what I would yeah, my preference. Actually, I think I would prefer something chocolatey and cream, definitely no jelly. But yeah, this was a more typical South African trifle. Yeah, but let me know how you guys make you know, I know like there are different versions of trifle. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.